Kat. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Taco. Oh, love the star and butterfly. Thank you, Vic and Sean. All right, so I'm gonna key this for 30 seconds. Means we're gonna do this one and some crystal placement. There's a lot of cool backgrounds going on in here. So I might do some dragon scales and 2 dragon scale right here. And then the silver one. Silver dragon scale. Hope everyone have a great day today. Today is Wednesday. I am going to get my tweezer to lay this one right on the top. Spread it on the side. You can see that it's already like come right off. I'm using the other ends of the tweezers, so it's have really cool. It's really handy. You can use it for transfer foil as well as for the sticker. It transfer everything. Great. So I am going to go ahead and apply the condensed glue gel. It's really thick density. Oh, it's closer to me right here. And then the twin tip brush. It's really cool, easy to know and remember. Just on a thick band, you can see that it's gonna take you to the gel brush, and the other thin bands will take you to the detail brush. It's really compact and super handy. So I'm gonna apply like on tie the nails, because you see when I have exactly where I want, but then I might change my mind and do more. So I'm being better safe than sorry. Hey, Miss Tammy from Facebook. Miss Fancy Fingers, thank you so much for supporting and tuning in. So wipe off my brush and using my no wipe top coat, put right on the top. Floating on the top, I haven't cured my condensed glue gel yet. So I'm not floating on, instead of dragging and pull the condensed glue gels out. So I'm gonna just like really floating it and using my crystal pickers. It's gonna give little shakes on my tray right there. Oh. Actually, I'm just gonna drop there. I'm gonna start right in the center, right here. Let's place some Like how you doing a puzzle thing. Can you take care of this?
More?
No, I meant I spill that one.
What's okay?
No, actually it's no. I actually still.
It's okay, leave it. Be fine.
And I'm excited for this live tutorial. Also, I'm so excited later today if Sarah going live. She's might. We'll see if I add some silver on this. It's got a bad spot because the tray is up there. So I move it, see how you can see it better. Because it looks like it covered and it blocked the comments. Like take away from the view. So if you want this one and you don't want anything else, you can leave it alone and clear and go back with precision glue. I might do some red. Should I leave it alone? Looks cute. If you're missing something. I can absolutely frame this one. But then I'll take away from the stars underneath. So we can leave it alone. And then now I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. This is so cute.